You can probably guess how your team members will voice opinions when you ask them to solve a problem about selling innovative products. Predictably, some will support you, others will keep conveniently quiet, and a critic on duty will simply roll his eyes and sneer. Did you get a quality feedback this way? Probably not. Rather, a confirmation of a status quo. So, try a different approach. Number 1. Ask the most critical employee to be a moderator. His job will be to look for differing opinions, but not offering any opinions of his own. It takes effort to be impartial. Number 2. Nominate a typically complacent member of the team to become a critical client, sort of a devil's advocate, who always challenges about the lack of features and asks questions about discounts. Start with 5-minute drills, and soon you will discover that the team can do 20-minute dry runs. Make people look forward to these challenges. Some managers offer small or silly prizes for winning these contests. Others jump right into the role plays with their team members. In the end, you will generate fresh responses to selling next-generation products and get rid of complacent and frustrated attitudes from your sales team meetings. If you like these tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.